Video?
Yep, okay. Now you can open your present.
I can't very well.
You need some help?
Yes.
Okay. Can you hang on to this? You hold this and I'll open this. You want to shoot the video? Don't touch the red thing.
Uh-oh.
What?
I took the red thing.
Oh, I think it's going to be okay.
What is all this?
I don't know. It's a surprise.
This?
Oh, Ezra, you don't know what that is. You're going to, oh, look at that. That's for your hair, sweetheart.
I know.
And that's a card. And that's a hat. Wow.
And this is for Mom. Oh, and stuff for Isaiah.
Wow, look at that. Very
for
cool.
Isaiah.
Yeah, very cool.
Can I try this out?
Yeah.
What is it for?
Do you know what it is?
What?
It's a ribbon. It's a ribbon. Here, I'll open it for you. But first you have to, this is from Auntie Sarah. She sent you a lot of cool stuff. So what do you say?
Thank you, Auntie Sarah.
Okay, we're going to open the ribbon thing so you can see her in action.